Hey everyone, welcome back to my Python. This is episode 3 of my Python tutorial series, and today we're gonna go over something very essential in Python, which is number operations. So open PyCharm and let's get started. So I'm just gonna open PyCharm right now, wait for it to load. Okay, I'm just gonna click the 3 bars, go on File, New Project, and I'm just gonna name it Number Operations. Okay, I'm just gonna set the interpreter type as Vent and choose my Python version. This window, and wait for it to load. Okay, so as always, we're gonna go right click, New, and Python file. Just gonna name it App, click on it, enter. And now we have our file. So first of all, you can do stuff like addition, which is very basic. We're just gonna go print 2 plus, for example, 3. So that's just gonna say 5. We can do subtraction. We're gonna put like 5 minus 2, which is 3. We can do multiplication with an asterisk, which is, let's do print 4 times 3, which should output 12. And we can also do division. Sorry for my typing. We can do print 8 divided by 2 and just fix that. Okay, so that's gonna be 4, like how any math works. So that's like how to do basic number operation. We can also do exponents or powers of numbers. For example, we can print 2 to the power of 3 with a double asterisk, which is gonna be 8. We can also do a floor division. Sorry for my typing. Floor division, which is basically like normal division, but it rounds it down. So that's very important right now. So if I print, for example, 9 divided by 2, but floor division, it will be like 4.5 rounded down, which will be a 4. There's also a modulo operator, which is a remainder of a division. So if I put print 7 mod 2, it's just gonna put like 3.5, which is like that's the remainder. But it's actually going to be 6 without decimals. So there's going to be a remainder of 1. And that's how the modulo operator works. So imagine you're going to reassign something. If you say x is 5, you can also, like, if you want to add x3 to x, you can put x is equal to x plus 3. And it's just going to be 8, right? But there's an easier way which you can do this. So I'm going to put y is equal to 5. I can put y plus equals, which like basically does the same thing, but you don't need to write it again. It looks cleaner and more pro. It's gonna do the same output. You can also do this for subtraction, like x minus equals 3, print x. It's just gonna print 5, which was our original answer. You can also do multiplication on it, like x plus equals 3 or 2, and print x, so that will be 10. You can also do division, x slash equals, that basically divides it, so it's going to be 5. So if 10 divided by 2 is 5, that's for division. And we also have a bonus, which is exponentiation, floor division. You can all of them do that. So let's put z as 5. If we say z double slash equals 2, so that like floor divides it, so that's 2.5. So floor down, that's a 2. We can also do like exponentiation. So if I put a is equal to 2, put double asterisk equals 3, so that will be 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So if I print a, it will be 8. Alright guys, that's it pretty much for number operators. Be sure to give a like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions or anything to say. Be sure to practice this so you'll get ready for the next episode. The next episode, we're gonna go over functions and what they are and how they work. Goodbye, see you in the next video.